This is Vernon Martin. This is my web analytics assignment. I couldn't get the tracking feature to function as I wanted it to. The status just keeps saying tracking not installed, and I've installed it several times and followed various guidelines I found online. I put it in the header code and everything, and I saved it and published it, but still getting that error. So I'm just going to walk you through the KPIs and the different things I wanted to measure with this assignment, even though there isn't really any real sustainable data there. Okay, so firstly, I'll walk through my goals. I set up three goals, two of which were of the event type, and then the last one was duration. So the contact us goal was pretty much a goal just to see if users are making their way to our contact page and are actually emailing us about any questions or um, any anything else they want to know about the app, whether when it's coming out or any other questions they may have about the application, just to see if they're interested at all. And then the media play goal was to measure the user interaction with the media on the website. So we currently have one YouTube video on the main homepage of the Laundry Watch website here. So, that goal was just to measure if, people were clicking that YouTube video to see what the app was about and watching our little promo video. Um, and lastly was the duration goal was just to check to see how long people are staying on the about page, which I think is one of the more important pages on our website here. Um, yeah, so this is pretty much just to check if they're actually taking the time to read what the app is about. And, from this, I can draw the assumption that if they're taking the time to read what the app is about, maybe they're somewhat interested, rather than if they're just clicking on the homepage, watching the video, and then leaving the website. But if they're taking the time to go to the about page, read our little preview about what the app does and the pain points we hope to solve with this application, that they are hopefully interested in the app itself. So next, I'll go through the custom report that I made. So in this custom report, some of the KPIs I wanted to measure were the average time on the page. So once again, the duration type thing, the bounce rate, and the user activity on the page. So once again, with the YouTube video and everything like that. Um, like I said, unfortunately, there's no data that I can really show you or analyze here. But those are the things I wanted to main things I wanted to measure with this custom report. And then as an additional feature, I added this demographics overview here just so I can get a better idea of the type of users that are making their way onto my Weebly site. And I think this is really important because, my main target audience is college students, specifically Penn State students. So within the demographics drop down here, I made sure to list things like I listed the city as State College, and to look for certain ages, between 18 to 24, which is usually the college age, and things like that. Gender itself wasn't that important because there are men and females that both go to college, but yeah, I really want to get an idea of the age of the people that are coming to the website, and to see if the people are mainly from State College, which is what I would hope, because this is geared towards them and this is an app that they should be using. Let's see, besides that, yeah, no real-time stats I can really go into. I think that pretty much covers everything that I really wanted to measure. Overall, I found the Google Analytics tool very useful. I see it's got a lot of features that can definitely help you run a small business. And I wish I could have got the tracking thing to work so I could have had more real data to play around with. But all right, that's all I've got for now. Thanks.